Cats have been domesticated for centuries and are now a beloved pet all over the world. They are always there to cuddle and purr when you need them. But they can also be a great source of amusement. Whether they are playing with a toy or trying to catch a bird out the window, cats always keep you entertained. And, of course, it's hard not to feel inspired by their graceful movements and independent spirit. So if you're looking for a furry friend who will inspire you to be your best self, then a cat is definitely the right pet for you. Chocolate fondue is the perfect dessert for a cozy evening at home or an intimate gathering with friends. What could be better than dipping fresh fruit and cookies into a warm, melted chocolate fountain? The best part is that you can customize your fondue however you like. You can use dark, milk, or white chocolate, or even mix them together. Be creative and have fun with it. The ocean is a place of infinite inspiration. Sitting by the ocean, watching the waves crash against the shore, can be so calming and grounding. It's easy to feel small in the face of such a powerful force of nature. And this can be humbling and inspiring. The ocean has been the source of comfort and hope for many throughout history. And it continues to be a place of solace and wonder for people today.